It's 6 p.m. in Pondicherry, and I am walking through this famous white town. Street looks like, kind of empty. It's Sunday still because it's kind of raining. I had some, early plans to, roam out, but again the rain spoiled my plans. So it's kind of, symmetrical all the way. You can see all the roads cross each other at 90 degrees. This is what White Town looks like. I'll just move forward. Whew. So yeah, what happened was like I actually planned to go out earlier around like 4:30 or 5, but again then I went out without umbrella and it rained, so I had to go take a shower and freshen up a bit, and after that I decided to go out anyway with an umbrella so I could explore the city more. So yeah, instead of taking a Rapido or a auto, I just decided to walk in through the Pondi city, so I could understand the city better and see how the people and everyone lives. So yeah, it's kind of drizzling, but I am enjoying the weather. It's a bit humid here. I think this is New Francois Martin. This is Rue St. Gilles. I don't know what they mean by that. Oh, I think it's the name of the streets, I guess. To be honest, it's just amazing streets to walk out, and if you are trying to get some cool pictures, it's just another level of vibe. Just look at this. So in most of the states here, the vehicles are not allowed, and most of the streets as one ways, so you cannot park your car or park your two-wheelers everywhere. So there are certain rules that on some of the streets you can park your four-wheelers, and on some of the streets you can park your two-wheelers. So yeah, if you are planning to come here, plan accordingly. You could see me getting darker and darker. That's because of clouds, not because of night. There is a Pani Puri store here. I guess I would go this way. So if you can see there, there is a beach in the state, too far away, maybe 200 meters away. And I could have walked on the beach side area, but again I wanted to go through this white town and the French colonies, everything. So that's why I decided to, walk through these streets. Just look at this. Instead of facing camera at me, I would love to, show the streets and just give it a voiceover. I think this is one of the biggest store. This is just the parallel road of the main beach road. I think I should go on the beach side. I'm not sure. I'm just walking here and there. There are some cool cafes around here, not some, I mean there are lots of cool cafes around here, and you would get a variety of food from Italian, French, and towards if you want some snacks, there is a special street for snacks. Yeah, there is a thing that in Pondicherry you would get non-veg foods and also veg food as well, but the non-veg is prominent here. So yeah, I mean it's always better to prepare for food options and find the place you want to eat. So generally everyone can go for some bakeries and those kind of stuff, so that would be good for vegetarian options. But yeah, again you will find more non-veg food than the veg food here. So let's say for an example, if you are going for a burger, then there will be street stores where you will get non-veg burgers, but yeah, there will be less option for the veg. I don't know, I'm just turning here and there. I'm not sure whether I'll be ending up on the beach from this way. At the right on the straight, you can see there is a Aurobindo Society. I'll do it this way. I don't know, this is the one of the longest straightforward video of my life, maybe. It's featuring me and also the things without a cut. I don't know. Again, there is a cute street, but I would like to go to the beach side, so I would just turn off. So the weather is just awesome, I would say that it's just 10 out of 10. You can just enjoy my clearing.
इसीलिए बोल रहे कि थर्ड एसी करवा ले।
This is the main street of beach. Wow, just wow! I mean, the weather is just awesome, you know. I think I'll just take a break and sit here for a moment, and I will just enjoy the evening. Okay, see you later.